Alright, I'm going to change out these old fixtures here with some new ones I picked up at Home Depot. This is a 1/4 inch copper line coming out of the wall. So I'm going to put on a 1/4 inch compression fitting to a 3/8 inch. 3/8 inch is what you need for the sink. So this is very easy to do. You need 2 wrenches, and I'm just going to loosen them here. I'm replacing these mainly just because they're old. This is an old fitting that went straight to the sink. Newer ones don't do that, so it's best to just replace it. So that popped off pretty easy, and I'm actually going to leave this compression fitting and the old nut on there. Makes things a little bit easier, and I'll just use that with the new piece. This one is covered in rust. I've already turned off the water to the house, obviously. And then I also went through and bled the lines to make sure there's no water in the lines. Right now I've got the lowest water line in the house in the open position, and that's the toilet. It's got a slight drip on it, so I've just got a little thing down there to catch it, a little bucket, so it doesn't go all over the floor. I'm going to clean out, there's some gunk in here. And these are nasty pipes. I'm going to go grab a towel here, pause the video. Alright, so I just went and grabbed a paper towel. Just want to clean this pipe off a little bit. It's kind of filthy. And I'm going to leave actually the old nuts on there. Keep things easy. Anytime you're using something that's threaded, you should always use Teflon tape. So I'm going to go ahead and give a few spins of Teflon tape on here. This helps the fitting create a better seal. It'll prevent it from leaking. And usually just run around there maybe 3 times, more or less. Get a nice seal with that. Screw this up. I'm using these newer 1/4 turn valves. Old ones used to spin a bunch, but I like these better. I think they're less prone to leaking. It's very clear when it's on and off, so you don't have to worry about over tightening or any of that other stuff. It's just nice and easy. So I'll go ahead and just finish tightening this one, and then you can get the idea. Same deal with the other one. Right one's cold, left one's hot. So get it nice and tight. You don't want to put too much muscle on it, but pretty good. These things will probably be on there for the next 10, 20, 30 years, so do a good job.